Cheers, Grahame. Hello. Oh, there it is. I'm hoping the camera picks this up because that is just amazing, and the little feather on the back is perfect. So, as I said, Grahame, thank you very, very much for doing all of that. I'll put links to me making the handle and Grahame painting that beautiful kingfisher and the feather. It was posted a couple of weeks ago. I'll put links to those down below, and I'll put a link to Grahame's channel up there, because if you're not subscribed to Grahame, please do go and check him out. He's phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. So I'm just ready for the workshop, so all I've got to do now is drill a hole in the shank, glue this in with some epoxy. Even though it's going to be 5-minute epoxy, I'll be leaving it until tomorrow so it sets off, and then reshape this down to the size of the shank, put some acrylic lacquer over that, and then I'll be using Danish oil on the shank. So, right, I'll see you in the workshop. Hello again. Well, here it is. My first ever walking stick, collaboration with Grahame from Grahame Butler, Wood and Art. Oak, African Blackwood, and Grahame's amazing artwork. The topper has been finished with 3 coats of Chestnut Satin lacquer, and then the shank so far has had 2 coats of Danish oil, as you saw. So it will have, let's put that safe, it will have a couple more coats of Danish oil, and yeah, I'm really, really pleased. I can't stop looking at it. So Grahame, thank you very, very much for this collaboration. I've thoroughly enjoyed it, and I've got a beautiful walking stick out of it, so thank you. As I said at the beginning of this video, I'll put links to Grahame's video and channel up there and down below, and also to the video of me making that topper, just in case you missed it. So, if it's your first time here and you've liked it, I do all sorts of things on here. That's the first time I've ever done anything like that. But if you like it, you can subscribe to my channel through the icon at the bottom. If you click all on the notification bell, YouTube lets you know when I upload my next video, which is normally a Thursday morning. So, all you diehards, as ever, diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you very much. As I think it was Andy that said, oh, that's different for you. Yeah. I'm going to try and do some things different, to try and have a little bit of variation. But probably next week we'll be back to a bowl. I've been asked to make a couple of bowls for somebody. I've already sold 2 bowls too, so I only want another 2. So I'll video one of them, because the other one is, if you remember, the Zebrano flying saucer bowl. Well, I didn't get that back on the lathe because it was bought, so they've asked for another one, the same, so they can have a pair. So I won't bother videoing that one because it's exactly the same as the first one. But I will video the other bowl, which is going to be a 14-inch bowl out of sycamore. So thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I'll put some pictures of that up at the end, and give it a thumbs up if you liked it, give it a thumbs down if you didn't, but please leave a comment. I read them all, I reply to them all as well, and I do enjoy reading them. So all that's left for me to say now, as ever, is please stay safe, you take care, diolch yn fawr iawn. I'll see you next Thursday, and oil!